Hello folks, uh, my name is Nihad and I want to show you one of the most important tools that we can't live without these days, and it's a digital library management called Zotero. A very powerful tool that I've discovered about uh, 5 or 6 years ago, and in the first tutorial I'll just show you how it works, how to install it on Firefox. On the second tutorial I'll show you how your digital library can be uh, stored remotely on a server, so whenever you lose your machine or change your machine, or if you're somewhere and you want to be accessing your library, you don't need the local machine that you were working with originally. Uh, think about digital library management, or in the other way, uh, our digital libraries or digital assets today are like libraries without librarian. In other words, you cannot enter a library, retrieve or find a book if the librarian was absent that day. So, a digital library management is the librarian who will be managing your digital content. Uh, we'll just go to add-ons. Simply click on Zotero, and you will find the big Z here. Just install it. While it is installing, I just want to tell you that Zotero is more. Uh, it helps you if you are citing things, if you are writing papers, if you are writing anything. It does more than that of Mendeley, if you are aware of Mendeley. But it will help you manage your bookmarks, your content, everything about your digital library. We need to restart after the installation, and here we go. After loading, we will note the following. Let's go to any page. Let me maximize this one. Note the Zotero mark here. Just click on it, and here is your digital library. So how this works? Simply let me, or in other words, let's say that I'm interested in, there are some stuff in my library, even though, but it's okay. Uh, Let me add a new collection. So say I'll call it Java, and inside of Java I like this page. Instead of saving it or bookmarking it, I'll just click on this box, and when I do, as you can see here, it will appear inside of the double, as the web page is called, inside the Java. That's all. That's it. Additionally, you can be adding notes here to this particular web page, and here is everything about the web page. If you inserted notes, you can add notes from here or here, but this will be a child note to this. Like, let me say, I will call it double. Okay, and that's it. So here is a child note to this one called double. Let me go to the original one I've attached. a note to this one. I can be adding tags, so whenever I want to search my library using this button, uh, it will appear. If you want to add several tags that makes the searching for any particular document uh, much easier. The point here is the Zotero now is acting as the librarian who will be serving you content. You will be managing your content. At the same time, please note that you don't need any bookmarking because if you just clicked on this and go to the info, you have the content already stored. So in the offline mode, if I just let me disconnect now, I'm not connected now to the internet. Let me close this window and just double click on that. You have the page accessed while you're not. So you saved the asset or this page. You have the URL which acts as a bookmark, and with all of the metadata for this web page attached to it, you can so simply search for any page just by clicking in the title. Say you have an advanced search tool. So here are all the things that, okay, what about Java double? Here it is. Okay, so uh, Zotero makes it very easy for you to um, manage your content so easily, save your web pages, your bookmarks at the same time, adding any notes, and it's very easy to use. And it has one other very important feature that makes your digital library accessible from anywhere, from any machine, that I'll be showing you in the next tutorial. Let me just go to any random page. Let's say I'm sorry, I'm disconnected. Let me connect again, so we can have another here. Inside of Firefox, let me search for anything about, say, point of sale. Point of sale. Here's something about in the Wikipedia. Let me go to this page, and please note the following. If whenever you click on this mark that will be adding this page or this asset, please note that you can be doing that if the file is a PDF as well. If the file is a PDF, all you have to do is just add this. Just click on this button, and it will do the same. It will add the web page as if it is just a page. So before I click on here, I don't want this page to be stored in the Java, so I want to add a new collection. Or let me show you something. I can be adding a sub-collection inside of Java by pressing. This is a new sub-collection. When I click on here, it's a new collection. Okay, so let me create a new sub-collection called POS, and when the POS is checked and I am on this page, all I have to do is just press this button, and here I have the point of sale from the Wikipedia is being stored inside of this. So It makes things much easier for you to manage all of your digital assets and digital content without having to save the pages and go and all from a single interface and from a single window. You can be managing your library much easier than saving pages and having contents, or managing bookmarks and managing content, and at the same time you have all of your content available, as we have seen in the offline mode. In the next video, I'll be showing you a very powerful tool that you can be managing all of your content on a remote server where whenever you lose a machine, change a machine, it will not be a problem transferring your media. Thank you for your time.